A plane travels at a speed of 213 miles per hour. Work out an estimate for the number of seconds the plane takes to travel 1 mile. So the first thing we want to do for this question is, because we only want to work out an estimate for the number of seconds, then we want to round this 213 miles per hour down to one significant figure. And 213 can round down to 200. And this is the value we can use to work out an estimate. So if this plane travels at 200 miles per hour, then this means that the plane will travel 200 miles in 60 minutes. And because we want our answer in seconds, and there are 60 seconds per minute, then this means that this plane will travel 200 miles in 3,600 seconds. So using this information, we can now work out the amount of time it will take to travel 1 mile. So in order to get from 200 miles to 1 mile, we'll need to divide by 200. So we can do the same calculation with the number of seconds. So 3,600 seconds divided by 200 gives us an answer of 18 seconds. And this is our final answer. Now this question's worth 3 marks. We'll get our first mark for converting 1 hour into seconds. We'll get our second mark for dividing this value by 200 to work out how long it will take for the plane to travel 1 mile. And our third mark for the correct answer. Is your answer to part A an underestimate or an overestimate? Give a reason for your answer. So if we take a look at part A of this question, the plane's actual speed was 213 miles per hour. However, we rounded this down to 200 miles per hour. So if instead of dividing 3,600 seconds by 200, we actually divided it by 213, this would give us a smaller number of seconds. So therefore, our answer to part A is an overestimate, because we rounded the speed down. So for our answer, we can write something along the lines of, our answer was an overestimate because we rounded the speed down. And this question's worth 1 mark, and we'll get this for a suitable decision along with valid reasoning.